Good morning, everyone. Today is June 11th, and let's see what the market has to say because seems to be pretty confusing, I would say. Yesterday we closed with a doji candle, okay, dragonfly or something, or a hammer maybe, and the last day, which was Sunday, was a very nice candle going up. So what I'm thinking is about the following. Look, yesterday we had a retracement. Here we got a nice demand zone here, which kept it pretty well. Then it went up. Right now, what I'm expecting today if we do this, you can see we have a trend line clearly broke. So what I'm expecting is a continuation going up. So today we have a CPI, monthly, yearly, and core CPI news, which has a huge high impact on the market. Therefore, this can move the market up or down. For now, we are waiting for good news because it's expected basically the forecast to be better than the previous month. And market will tell us as soon as the news comes out. But for now, what I see here regarding Bitcoin is something pretty strange. So I'm gonna be pretty careful today because there is no real signal here to buy or sell. It's just like it can go up, go down without any real reason. One thing that I've been following is the news on the US, which basically it's going to be a huge protest on June 14 regarding some army march or something like that. And that can be a bit of problem because if things turns out to be catastrophic, then the market is gonna tank. So be careful. Okay, it's yet 4 days to come that situation, but anyways, with if we get a bad news today and is already expected to have some kind of protest here over the United States, then I'm pretty sure this is not going to keep moving forward. So I would be rather selling than buying if today's news is going to be bad, plus whatever is expected to be happening, right? Yesterday we got a good news for Solana, okay, which we will see an ETF pretty soon for Solana, and that's why we got this nice candle going up, and the overall strength, buying strength is up, okay? So what I'm expecting is Solana to go up because we have a good news, and there is nothing is going to stop Solana from moving upwards until 171 level. Here we can have a real selling pressure, but for now all I see is that Solana can go up until this level, and as soon as it reaches it, it's gonna go back to these levels again, 165. Then after, if everything goes well, then it can continue going up, but that's gonna be after we understand the news. That's pretty much all for today. Just be safe, be careful on what you're doing because depending whether it's gonna go up or down based on the news, you can just be going against the market, and that's something you want to avoid at any cost. Trade smartly, trade safely, and always use stop losses, okay? And follow me for more like this. Thanks.